Hey guys, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and I have exciting news. It is Way Day. It is here, starting now. Actually started a few hours ago, so don't miss these deals. I'm sharing some of my favorites in my own home, as well as I've got a whole list for you over on designlovesdetail.com, so you can shop by category, all the best finds, up to 80% off, and free shipping site-wide. I recently added this rug to our stairs landing, and it's from Wayfair, and I love it. So it has that antique look, but it's surprisingly affordable, comes in a bunch of different sizes, and it's about half off right now for Way Day. Love that paired with our daybed bench. This is like such great quality. These stools in our kitchen are beautiful. I love that they're solid wood, and they have kind of a thicker, like it's a thicker wood. So the seat and legs, traditional style, kind of common shape, but then that thickness of the wood and that they're solid, it makes them, I feel like, such a timeless piece. The dining table is another favorite of mine. I love the base with that fluted detail and the curved edge, just really beautiful and nice quality there as well. It comes with 2 leaves, so you can extend it, and it gets really quite long, so it's perfect for entertaining, and it comes in black finish as well. In the apartment that I recently shared, we have kind of a bedroom space with this gorgeous desk. It has storage, and the wood detail is stunning. Plus, the bed with the slipcover comes in a bunch of different fabrics. It is such a good one. These nightstands come assembled, so that's one of their major bonuses, and I love the size of them. They're almost like a small dresser. Technically, they're a filing cabinet, so they have the extra deep drawer on the bottom, but they are perfect as a nightstand, I think, as well. The artwork in here in my bedroom is one of my favorites, and it's a really good bang for your buck. So it's not like super high end, but it looks high quality, so that's what's important. Like, it's a faux wood, but you'd never really notice. And you can get different frame options too. I think there's a black and one other, and they come in different sizes. I did get the largest size in those, and they are kind of have that European feel, which I love. Looks really good with our cream velvet bed. I wasn't sure how this would hold up as far as like cleaning and stuff, but I've never had to clean it or anything, and it still looks amazing. So I definitely recommend that. It comes in a couple different fabrics, colors, as well as sizes. A couple really pretty pieces there from our bedroom. And then the desks in our kids' homeschool room, these are a really good one because I like the size of them. They've got the cool oval shape for one thing, and then the storage with the big drawer, but then they're also not like a super deep desk. So you can put this in like a bedroom, or maybe just any little spot that you want to have a place to work at, but don't have a ton of space available. Hopefully you guys like those finds from my house. I think it's so helpful to see them styled in an actual space. And then I've got a whole bunch of other favorites saved for you, like I said, over on designlovesdetail.com. So check those out and shop the links for the products I just shared in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'd love to have you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.